She waited patiently at the station for her train. The bird flew through the open window. We met on a cold December night. He walked silently through the forest path. The child hid under the table to surprise his mother. She smiled at the memory of her childhood. He carefully placed the letter into the envelope. The old man lived in a village surrounded by rivers. The lamp stood in the corner of the room. We arrived at the airport earlier than expected.